Good morning, our dear viewers. Welcome to Elimu segment. Today we are going to learn mathematics. Our topic is algebra. My name is Teacher Victor Orachi. Welcome and be my student. For today, you can call me Teacher Victor. All right. When we talk about algebra, we simply talk about the numbers with composition of alphabetical letters. With me here, I have my teaching aids. For example, on my right hand, I have got 2 bananas. On my left hand side, I have 1 banana. So when I put them together, how many bananas do I have all together? We can count them. 1, 2, 3 bananas. So in total, I have got 3 bananas. The same way, I do have apples here. I have 2 on my left hand side, 1 on my right hand side. When I put them together, I have got 3 bananas. 3 apples all together. The same way, when these are 4 bananas and these are 3 apples. When I put them together, I'll have 4 bananas and 3 apples. I'll not, in total, I won't be able to add them together because they are different. So that's why I'll be having 4 bananas and 3 apples. That is what algebraic expression is all about. Still, we can illustrate it on our chalkboard. We can illustrate it in our chalkboard here. These are an illustration of apples. This is 1 and these are 2. In total, we shall have 3 apples. We can still write it as an algebraic expression. We can use apple. We can use small letter a plus our 2 apples here, 1, 2. We write 2a, which is equals to, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3. So in total, we shall have 3 apples. Are we together, class? Still, when I put them together, these are 4 bananas. I can use letter B to represent bananas. When I put them together with my apples plus 3a, in total, I'll have 4 bananas plus 3 apples because they are 2 different items. My answer is 4 bananas plus 3 apples simply because the 2 items are totally different. Are we together, class? Okay. Here are more examples we can now work out using algebraic expressions. The first example is 5b plus 2b. Remember, this is 5b plus 2b. So these are two like terms. The terms are the same. So we shall have 5b plus 2b, we get 7b as our answer. Our answer becomes 7b because the two are like terms. We can also have another example. 10a take away 6a. 10a take away 6a. For this case, still the terms are the same. This is a and this is a. So we shall simply take away. That is 10a take away 6a. We shall get 4a as our answer. Is that okay? Algebraic expression is simply easier. It is that easy. You just have to collect the like terms and you add or subtract depending on what the question requires you to do. Another example, 7c take away 3c take away 6c plus 5c. Here, the terms are also the same. This is 7c, take away 3c, take away 6c, plus 5c. However, always remember that the positive sign or negative sign followed by a term determines the operation to be carried out on the term. For this case, we shall start with addition first. We shall collect the like terms starting with addition. That is following the BODMAS rule. So we shall have 7c. Our addition sign is plus 5c. Take away 3c. Take away 6c. 7c plus 5c, we shall get 12c. Take away 3c, we shall get 9c. When we have 9c, take away 6c. Our answer becomes 3c. Our answer for this case becomes 3c. Remember, we have collected the like terms. Then we started with addition. That is 7c plus 5c. We got 12c. 12c subtract 3c. We got 9c. 9c take away 6c. We got 3c. Is that okay? All right. Good. Our next example is 20y take away 12y. 20y take away 12y. This is simple, simply because the terms are the same. We have 20y take away 12y. When we subtract 12 from 20, we get 8y. So our answer for this case becomes 8y. Our answer for this case becomes 8y. Look at this example. Look at this example. 5w take away 17w plus 11w plus 9w. What do we get? We have to collect the like terms first. That is 5w. As I said, we start with addition. 5w plus 11w plus 9w take away 17w. 5 plus 11, we get 16. 16 plus 9, we get 25W. So we have 25W, take away 17W. 25W, take away 17W. For this case, we shall get 8W. Our answer becomes 8W. Okay. Number 6. 16B plus 5B plus 9B. What do we get? Here we add 16 plus 5, we get 21B. 21B plus 9B, we get 30B. So our answer becomes 30B. (13M) plus 4M, take away 15M, take away 7M, plus 12M, plus 9M. We shall start with addition. That is 13M plus 4M plus 12M, take away 15M, take away 7M, okay, we had 9 here. That is plus 12M. Remember, we are not supposed to forget this 9. Plus 9M, take away 15M, take away 7M. So when we add 13 plus 4, we get 17. 17 plus 12. 17 plus 12, we get 29. 29 plus 9, we get 38M. So we have 38M. When we take away 15M, 38 take away 15M, we get 23. 23M. So 23M, take away 7M, we get our answer as 16M. Our answer becomes 16M. Assignment for you, let me give you two questions to work out. You can send us your answer through the number which has been displayed on your screen. You can work out and send us the answers. The number is displayed on the screen. Number 1, 5x plus 10x, take away 12x, take away x. What do we get? Number 2, 18a, take away 9a, plus 2a, take away 5a. What is the answer? Finally, A take away 32A plus 26A plus 17. 17A take away 3A. What do we get? Work out and send us the answer. Work out and send the answers. The number has been displayed on your screen. Okay. And also, if you have got any question, you can send it, you can text it so that I can answer it. Our next part is the use of brackets in algebraic expressions. The use of brackets in algebra. 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 Here we have two open the brackets 10A. 2 open the brackets 10A. This means we multiply 10A by 2. It means we multiply 10A by 2. We multiply what is inside the brackets with what is outside the brackets. We shall have 10A multiplied by 2. 10A multiplied by 2. Here, we shall multiply 10 times 2. 10 times 2, we get 20A. Our answer here becomes 20A. Simply because we have multiplied 10 by 2. 10 times 2, we get 20. And remember not to forget letter A. So our answer becomes 20A. Our next example is 4, open the brackets, 6A plus 2A, close the brackets. 4, open the brackets, 6A plus 2A. This means we add 6A to 2A. Then we multiply the results by 4. We add 6A plus 2A because they are like terms. So we shall have 6 plus 2, we get 8A. 8A, we now multiply it by 4. We shall have 4 times 8A. We have 4 times 8A. 4 times 4, we get 32A. So our answer becomes 32A. Okay. We are using the brackets in algebraic expressions. The use of brackets in algebra, and we have said we multiply what is in the brackets with what is outside the brackets. That means we move on to our next example. Whereby our next example, we have 2, open the brackets, 3x plus 4x. 2, open the brackets, 3x plus 4x. The first step, as I said, simply because we have got the like terms, the first step is to add what is in the brackets. That is 3 plus 4, we get 7x. 7x is the total sum of 3 and 4. So we take 2 times 7x. We take 2 times 7x. Since I said, in order for us to be able to work out what is to work out the sum which has got the brackets, we multiply what is inside the brackets with what is outside the brackets. That's why I added 3 plus 4. I got 7x. Now, we multiply 7x times 2. 2 times 7, we get our answer as 14x. So our answer here becomes 14x. Is that okay? All right. We move on to our next example. Our next example is 4, open the brackets, 4n plus 3n plus 7n, close the brackets. I said we add what is inside the brackets if they are like terms. For this case, 4n, 3n, and 7n are like terms. So we take 4 plus 3, we get 7. 7 plus 7, we get 14n. 14n, we multiply it by 4. So we have 4 times 14n. 4 times 14, we get 56. We get 56n as our answer. We get 56n as our answer. I hope it is clear. I hope you are enjoying algebraic expressions. Here we are simply collecting the like terms. We collect the like terms. We add what is inside the brackets if at all they are like terms. We move on to our next segment, our next example. We move on to our next example, whereby we move on to our next example, whereby we have got 20, open the brackets, 2h plus 2h, take away 3h. We have 20, open the brackets, 2h plus 2h, take away 3h. 20, open the brackets, 2h plus 2h, take away 3h, close the brackets. I said we collect the like terms and we start with addition. So for this case, we shall have 2h plus 2h, we get 4h. 4h, take away 3h, we get 1h. 1h is the same as h. If the term is 1, we just write the alphabetical letter. So we have 20 multiplied by h. 20 multiplied by h, our answer becomes 20h. Our answer becomes 20h. Here we have got 2h plus 2h, take away 3h. Here the terms are alike, and when the terms are alike, we work it out straight away, whereby we have 2 plus 2, we got 4h. 4h, take away 3, we got 1h, and I said if the answer is 1, we simply write alphabetical letter, we simply write h. So our next step is multiplying what is inside the brackets with what is outside the brackets, whereby we have 20 times 1. 20 times 1 or 20 times h, we get 20h as our answer. Are we together? Is it enjoyable? Is it workable? Enjoy mathematics. All right. Our next example. Our next example is 4, open the brackets, 4s plus 2s, take away s, plus 2s, subtract 5s, close the brackets. Here I can see we also have the like terms, therefore we shall work it out straight away. That is 4s plus 2s, we get 6x. We get 6s. Okay, let us collect it. 4s plus 2s, we add first, plus 2s, then we subtract s, subtract 5s. 4 plus 2, we get 6. 6 plus 2, we get 8. 8s. We get 8s. 4 plus 2, we get 6. 6 plus 2, we get 8. Our next step after addition is subtraction. 8, take away s, we get 7s. 7, take away 5, we get 2. So we get 2s, close the brackets, multiply by 4. So for this case, we shall have 4 times 2s. Our answer will become 8s. Our answer becomes 8s. Our answer becomes 8s. Is it clear? Okay. Finally, on brackets, we can do one more example before we move to our next subtopic, still in algebra. We have 1/4, open the brackets, 16d, close the brackets. What do we get? Here, I said the first step, we multiply what is inside the brackets with what is outside the brackets. So we shall have 1/4 multiplied by 16d. We shall have 1/4 multiplied by 16d. Here we can simplify. 4 divided by 4, we get 1. 16 divided by 4, we get 4. 1 multiplied by 4, we get 4d. Our answer here becomes 4d. All right? Okay. The next part, we want to learn how to simplify algebraic expression. Simplification of algebra. If you have been given an expression in the form of algebra and you have been asked to simplify, how do we go about? This is how we go about. Follow me keenly. Our first example, 3 whole number, 1/2n plus 5p plus 2 whole number, 1/4n, take away 2p. What do we get? The first step is to collect the like terms. The first step is to collect the like terms. The like terms here we have 3 whole number, 1/2n. 5p is not, this one is different. So we have got 3 1/2n plus 2 whole number, 1/4n, plus 5p, take away 2p. So we work out this part first and this part. So we have got 3 whole number 1 over 2n plus 2 whole number 1 over 4n. We add the whole numbers, that is 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. The next step, we get the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 4. The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 4 divided by 2, we get 2. 2 multiplied by 1, we get 1n. Plus 4 divided by 4, we get 1. 1 multiplied by 1, we get 1n, which is the same as n. So our answer becomes, for this part becomes 3 plus 2, we get 5 whole number. N plus n, as I said, when you take one apple and you add another apple, in total we have got how many apples? 2 apples. So we have got 2n all over 4. Three plus 2, we get 5. 3 plus 2, we get 5. The LCM here is 4. 4 divided by 2, we get 2. 2 times 1, we get 2n. 4 divided by 4, we get 1. 1 times 1, we get n. 2n plus n, we get 3n. 3n all over 4. The next part is 5p take away 2p. 5p take away 2p. We get 3p. The next step, we join the two answers. That is 5 whole number 3 all over 4 n plus 3p. So our answer becomes 5 whole number 3 over 4n plus 3p. Let me explain it again. 3 whole number 1 over 2n plus 5p plus 2 whole number 1 over 4n, take away 2p. Here we collect the like terms. I have taken 3 whole number 1 over 2n plus 2 whole number 1 over 4n, our plus 5p take away 2p. I have grouped them into like terms. I took 3 whole number 1 over 2n plus 2 whole number 1 over 4n. I added the whole numbers. That is 3 plus 2. I got 5 whole number. I got the next step. I got the LCM of 2 and 4. The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 4 divided by 2, I got 2. 2 multiplied by 1, I got 2n. The next step, I took 4 divided by 4, I got 1. 1 multiplied by 1, I got 1. 1 is the same as n. 3 plus 2, I got 5 whole number. 2n plus n, I got 3 all over 4n. The next part is 5p take away 2p. I got 3p. Then my answer became 5 whole number 3 over 4n plus 3p. Is it clear? Okay. The next example on simplifying algebraic expression is as follows. I have 1 over 2a plus 1 over 3a plus 1 over 4a. What do we get? When we have got 1 over 2a plus 1 all over 3a plus 1 over 4a. That is 1 over 2a add 1 all over 3a plus 1 all over 4a. What do we get? Here the terms are the same. We have got the like terms. Therefore, we get the LCM of 2, 3, and 4. We get the LCM of 2, 3, and 4. The LCM here becomes 12. 12 divided by 2, we get 6. 6 multiplied by 1, we get 6a. 12 divided by 3, we get 4. 4 times 1, we get 4a. 12 divided by 4, we get 3. 3 times 1, we get 3a. 6 plus 4, we get 10. 10 plus 3, we get 13 all over 12a. Remember, the numerator is not supposed to be greater than the denominator. The numerator is not supposed to be greater than denominator. Therefore, we divide it. We have 13 divided by 12. We get 1. 1 times 12, we get 12. We subtract, we get 1. So our answer here becomes 1 whole number. Our remainder, which is 1, becomes our numerator, and our denominator becomes 12. And don't forget letter A. So our answer becomes 1 whole number, 1 over 12a. Is it okay? Is it clear? Okay. Our next example. Our next example is 1 over 6t, 1 over 6t plus 1 all over 3t plus 1 all over 2t. What do we get? We get the LCM of our denominators. That is the LCM of 6, the LCM of 3, the LCM of 2. Our LCM for this case is 6. 6 divided by 6, we get 1. 1 multiplied by 1, we get 1. 1 is we can write t to represent 1. Plus 6 divided by 3, we get 2. 2 multiplied by 1, we get 2t. Plus 6 divided by 2, we get 3. Times 1, we get 3t. 1 plus 2, we get 3. Plus 3, we get 6. So here we have 6 all over 6t. Here we simplify. 6 divided by 6, we get 1. 6 divided by 6, we get 1. So our answer here becomes t. T represents 1 whole number. Is it okay? Okay. Our next example. Okay. One more example. we have got one more example. Here we have got 8c plus 3c take away 2c. What do we get? Here we add 8c plus 3c, we get 11c. So our next step is 11c take away 2c, we get 9c. So our answer becomes 9c. Our answer becomes 9c. Maybe let me give you some 2 questions you can work out and send us. We have got the number which has been displayed on your screen. Work it out and send the answer. The quiz are as follows. The first one, 6m plus 8p plus 3m take away 2p. What do we get? The second one is 5p plus 4t take away 1 all over 5p take away 1 all over 4t. What do we get? Finally, we have got 4y plus 3 all over 10y take away 2z. That is 4y plus 3 over 10y take away 2z. What do we get? Okay. Work them out and send the answers through the number which has been displayed on your screen, and we shall see. Okay. Still more examples on the use of brackets in algebra. More examples on the use of brackets in algebra. Our first example is 4 whole number, open the brackets, a take away 3b. 4 whole number, open the brackets, a take away 3b. 4 whole number, open the brackets, a take away 3b. As I said, we have to multiply each term in the brackets by what is outside. So for this case, we shall have 4 multiplied by a take away 4 multiplied by 3b. 4 multiplied by a, we get 4a take away 12b. So our answer becomes 4a take away 12b. Our next example is 4 whole number, open the brackets, 2a take away 3b, close the brackets, plus 2 whole number, open the brackets, 3a plus 7b. I said we multiply what is inside the brackets with what is outside the brackets. So for this case, we shall have 4a multiplied by, 4 multiply by 2a, take away 4, multiply by 3b, we plus 2 multiply by 3a plus 2 multiply by 7b. We can group them. So we have got 4 times 2, we get 8a, take away 12b plus 6a plus 14b. The next step, we have to collect the like terms. That is 8a plus 6a, take away, remember we have to start with addition, plus 14b, take away 12b. 8a plus 6a, we get 14a plus 14, take away 12, we get 2b. So our answer becomes 14a plus 2b. Our answer becomes 14a, take away 2b. Okay. And if you have got any question, kindly send it. We have got the number which has been displayed on the screen. Work it out and send it out. Okay. We have got, okay, there's somebody who has asked a question here. And the question is, two whole number 2a plus 2b. Let me work it out. Okay, let me work it out, the question which you have sent. Five whole number 2a plus b. 5 okay. Here I said we have to work, first of all we have to group them into like terms. We have got, okay, let me use a different pen so that you can see it clearly. That is 5 whole number, open the brackets, 2a plus 6b plus 7a. We have to group them, to group the like terms, whereby we have got 2a plus 7a plus 6b. That is the like terms. We have got 2a plus 7a plus 6b. 2 plus 7, we get 9a plus 6b. We close the brackets. The next step, we multiply what is inside the bracket. with what is outside our brackets. We have got 5 multiplied by 9a plus 5 multiplied by 6b. 5 times 9, we get 45, 45a plus 5 multiplied by 6, we get 30b. So our answer becomes 45a plus 30b. Because we can't add them together because they are different terms. Thank you for your question. Much appreciation. Okay. We have another question. Let me write it out here. That is 18a minus 4a plus 2a is equal. Let me work it out. Let me write it here first. That is, we have got 18a take away 4a plus take away 4a plus 2a take away 5a. Here we still have to group them. That is 18a. We start with addition first. 18a plus 2a take away 4a take away 5a. Okay. All right. 18a plus 2a, we get 20. We get 20. 20a. 20a take away 4a. We get 16a. 16a take away 5a. We get our answer as 11. 11a. I hope I have answered your question. You can ask more questions if you have. Otherwise, keep on enjoying maths, simply because whatever your mind can conceive and you believe in and you decide to work towards it, you will always attain it. If you target towards getting an A in mathematics, it is possible, so long as you keep on practicing and doing what is right, because practice makes perfect. If you keep on practicing, soon you'll become perfect. Okay, thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. We shall meet during our next lesson. It has been my pleasure being with you. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed week. I wish you well. Thank you.